I'm doing my skill summary on emailing, adding, and removing guardians. So here I have my test class, which is the class I use to try things out um, with a couple other teachers in my district. So I'm here, I'm going to go to people, and these are teachers, but I've had one of them, I emailed him on another account. He accepted it, so that way I can show you how to invite and show you how to remove. So let's just say I'm the teacher. I have a couple kids here. Jennifer Byrne, I'm wanting to invite her guardians, so I click on that. Very simple. And then I type in an email of the guardian, the parent or the guardian, and let's just say I put in one of mine, and then you can see you can put in another one. So there would be my wife, but that's how you would do that. So you can put in more than one if you want. If you already have them added, like I have Carl here, I can remove guardians if I want just by clicking that very easily, or I can email guardians the same. And then it'll just load my Gmail, and it'll load the email that I used to add them automatically, and then I can send them whatever I need to. Okay, but we don't want to do that, so we're going to go back to this. If a parent has a Gmail account, then they'll have the option of daily, weekly, or no parent updates they can choose. If they have any other type of email address, it'll automatically default to weekly updates. Parents cannot see the classroom stream. They will see missing work, upcoming work, and class activities. That's how to do that.